close my eyes and see my whole life fly right by. I don't know what to do to slow it down. I just close my eyes and let go. I let go. I let go. There's a fire burning deep in my soul. No matter what I do, it burns out of control. I try to throw water on it, I try to smother it to smoke, but it don't matter. The fire continues to burn. Continues to burn. I can't do nothing, no matter what I do. It seems like shards of glass all over wherever I step. I cut my foot, I cut my soul. I cannot take this anymore. I close my eyes and I let it go. And the fire continues to burn. And the fire continues to burn. It's like you throw all your anger on me and you turn. Oh, the fire continues to burn. The fire continues to burn. I close my eyes to let it go. Close my eyes and see my whole life fly right by. I don't know what to do to slow it down. I just close